if I back it up, is it fat enough?
Ayy, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it, ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy, ayy, look.
Give a back shots to a back hurt, back shots.
Y'all, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. As you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm just coming to you guys giving y'all this flexi ride tutorial. This wig I'm starting off with is a freshly washed wig. I have absolutely no product in this wig. You'll see that I'm prepping the hair with some curl serum just to make sure that I'm protecting the hair, because you don't want to damage your hair along the way. And for this whole process, I did prefer to work in sections just to make sure that my curls and everything were real precise. I wanted to make sure it was really cleaned up, if that makes sense. So as you guys can see, the way that I'm wrapping the hair around the rod, I am curling my hair going back. So while achieving this look, guys, y'all do want to make sure that y'all are curling the hair to go to the back. And like I said, working in sections, that was just easier for me. You can work in whichever way you want to work. Like I said, just working in sections was real beneficial to me. The rods that I'm using in this video are from Walmart. I got 2 packs and I did use every single rod, y'all. Like, I think if I'm not mistaken, it comes either 20 or 40 rods in the pack. I'm not even sure. I want to say 20 rods per pack. So as a total, I use 40 rods, y'all. And as you guys can see from the way I'm wrapping, I'm just taking the hair starting way towards the end, but as I'm rolling up, I'm making sure that that tip of the hair is actually wrapped inside too. You don't want that tip to be sticking out of your rods, because then you're going to have curls and your ends are going to be straight. So to avoid that straight tip, you just want to make sure that as you're wrapping the rod up, you're covering that section of hair. And as I'm rodding it, you'll see that for my curls, I actually go through and brush it, because for me putting a product in the hair, y'all, instead of having crunchy curls, if that makes sense, I actually wanted to go with a smoother look. So I'm just going to be taking the curls, I'm going to brush through them, but you'll see that I'm not dramatically brushing through them. Like, I'm brushing through the hair to get it smooth, if that makes sense, but I'm not dramatically brushing it to where I'm brushing all the curls out. And this is a very super easy process, y'all. And as the video goes on, y'all see me, the purple rods, like I said, they were on the thicker side. The blue rods were much skinnier and smaller, so I did focus on using the purple rods towards the bottom for the curls, just like I have those bigger bouncy curls towards the bottom, and I use the blue rods towards the top. And I'm just repeating the same process over and over, y'all. So I'll finish off the bottom, and when we get to the top using the blue rods, I'll come back and chat with y'all. Alright y'all, and I just wanted to come back to give y'all a good idea of how the foundation is looking in the back from the purple rods. We're just making our way at the top. Nothing that I'm doing to the top is differently from what I did to the bottom. Of course, we're going to section. We're going to curl. Once we finish our section, we're going to go ahead and carefully brush out our curl and then wrap it around the rod. It's pretty self-explanatory at this point. I do want to let y'all know, whenever y'all like doing this process, please do not forget to tuck those ends, ladies. You don't want your hair to be curled and your ends are just straight.